Let's have a quick conversation about Outgrow. So when you think about Outgrow, I want you to think about a marketing software tool that lets you do a lot of things. So I will explain to you everything about the pros, the cons, the features that are important in Outgrow. So let's get into the overview here. So Outgrow, as I said before, is a marketing software tool that lets you create highly interactive content to engage, capture, and convert potential customers. And with the tool, you have a constellation of possibilities. You can quickly build quizzes, calculators, surveys, polls, assessments, giveaways, chatbots, and recommendations, even without coding skills and without any design knowledge. So the flexibility is there, the user experience is there, and this different types of content pieces, I'm talking about quizzes, calculators, surveys, polls, assessments, and what have you, they have undergone A/B testing and are highly optimized. And when strategically placed on your product website, online store, or e-commerce site, the content can provide visitors with immersive and personalized experiences that can increase traffic and boost conversions. So when you really think about Outgrow, you got to think about a really, I would say, the granularity is there, the multiplicity of options is also there. And what we love about Outgrow here is that you are able to have interactive content, right? You're able to get more, let's say, more visitors, more prospects. And based on if you use content such as quizzes, calculators, surveys, polls, and what have you, you are able to get responses. And based on their responses and the information they input, you will know the demographics of your visitors. And this will enable you, when you really think about it, to go granular in terms of adapting your content to your growing and expanding content. You're not a content, but your audience. You're a growing audience, okay? And so you're able to do audience segmentation and qualify your potential customers for targeted follow-ups and specific personalized offers. And the content you create can be published in various ways. You can put it in a chat bot. You can enter it in a slide-in or pop-up, or simply embed it on your blog or website. And you can track and monitor the performance of these content pieces and get real-time results. So Outgrow is cloud-based and has multi-platform capabilities, and you can access it from any connected device. So this is really great. So the tool is best for small and medium-sized businesses, and Outgrow has wonderful content marketing features for audience targeting, brand management, campaign management, conversion tracking, distribution management, SEO, and video management, among other things. I want to go a little granular here. I want to talk to you about the pros. When we talk about Outgrow, what are we speaking about? Again, we're speaking about Outgrow from a content management perspective. So content marketing is a meticulous activity, right? So you have interactive content marketing made easy through Outgrow. So you're able to, so if you have content marketing, you have pieces that involve interactive content, you're able to animate these content types, put in effects, and incorporate logic processes. Essentially, what I'm trying to tell you here is that you need to code this at the back end to make them embeddable and workable on a website, as well as design them to look modern and attractive. With Outgrow, say goodbye to the challenges and complexity of building interactive content pieces with ready-made customizable templates. It's a codeless operation to develop polls, quizzes, assessments, etc. So if you want and have some design knowledge, you can create your content from scratch. Nevertheless, you will not need to hire designers, programmers, and developers to do the job for you. So again, total freedom. Think about it. You also have personalized visitor engagement. You have performance metrics and analytics. You are able to integrate with your sales and marketing tools. And this is kind of cool in terms of integrating with your sales and marketing tools. So Outgrow is already robust on its own, but its potency, in our view, is further enhanced through integration. So the software can connect and work with popular sales and marketing tools such as HubSpot, Salesforce, Drip, ActiveCampaign, Marketo, and MailChimp. With these integrations, you can send personalized emails and assign qualified prospects to particular sales agents or specific campaigns without having to leave your Outgrow dashboard. So this is great because the centrality of your dashboard is really key when using the Outgrow. So in this Outgrow content marketing software review, I'm trying to really tell you that it is a great tool. And you have other pros in addition to the ones that I just told you about. You have a flexible and intuitive app that is easier to use even for beginners. It's great for inbound marketing. The app builds unique interactive lead magnets. You have interactive content that comes from Outgrow. The credibility of data is because it is filled by the visitors, and you have the app actually exports aggregated data. It allows you to merge data easily, and also you can do perform. You can actually perform advanced analysis. What about the cons here? Let's quickly talk about the cons. Okay, so obviously you have more pros than cons, but again, there is I would say a series of things that the Outgrow needs to work on. So the premium features are on higher price plans. So it is basically you need to actually spend a shell like you can shell out a whole lot of money to access those premium features. So it is a standard SaaS subscription formula where premium features are locked into higher tier plans, and that of Outgrow is no different. Among its four paid packages, I'll speak about the pricing later on. You'll get charts, graphs, and tables on the more expensive plans. So prepare to calibrate your budget if you need more advanced tools and features. And Outgrow also has a service in which the platform custom builds content for you starting from $250 per content piece. So hey, listen, you can see here that things can add up real quick. So it's not really cheap. Okay, we're speaking about $250 per content piece. Okay, with Outgrow, the software is not really easy to use. It's not really easy to use from the get-go. So there's a bit of a learning curve here. So for those with zero design background and online builder skills, creating your first interactive content can be a bit of a challenge. And so there are guides and tutorial videos which you would do well to study first. Be ready for hits and misses in your initial foray into content marketing. Also, you want to work out which features can best optimize your website. And but again, this is an activity that can take some time for like, especially if you're a really novice, it can take a longer time for you to flesh out. So what are the other cons that you might actually experience as you actually delve into Outgrow? You can send out only contact details and not any other information. You have a basic interface for analytics. Writing calculations can be overwhelming in case of complex forms. Exploring all features can be time consuming. This sort of adds back to the learning curve thing that I spoke about earlier. And you have a minor level script issues. We have found those while really analyzing the software tool, and the plans are kind of costly, and the low tiers don't allow you to use all of the available features. Speaking of features, what are the important features to the important capabilities you can expect while using Outgrow? One thing I want to say here is that, again, we're speaking about Outgrow. This is an Outgrow review, and we wanted to know whether the tool is great for content marketing. And when we speak about content marketing, we want to pay attention to the granularity of features. So when we talk about features, we're paying attention to the granularity, but also paying attention to the efficiency of the features. In other words, what do the features help you do, and how quickly and how detailed can the features be? So in our view, there are some features that are of paramount importance. If you are going to be an Outgrow user, you need to know about these features. You have A/B testing and optimization. You have branching logic. You have conditional messaging, branding customization. So we're speaking here about the customization of logos, colors, styles, and what have you. You have funnel analytics. So funnel analytics can be really helpful if you're trying to build a sales funnel or you're trying to manage your sales funnel. And you also have marketing sales tools integration. You have pre-built templates. You have real-time results. And again, the features that really make Outgrow really stand out are the multiplicity of tools that can help you boost marketing. So we're speaking here about polls, chatbots, surveys. And again, the uniqueness of those marketing tools is that whatever you get is actually user generated, is visitor generated. You're not really actually coming with data on your own. So this is kind of cool because you know exactly what the users are thinking, or who the users are in terms of demographics, in terms of geography. So again, when we speak about content marketing from a segmentation perspective, having this sort of this level, this breadth and depth of data can be really cool. Another feature we love in Outgrow is the social footprint. So the ability to analyze your social footprint, to also know your, I would say, your brand information about your brand sentiments across social media. So you have a clear idea of what's really happening around your brand. So when you think about Outgrows, I want you to think about a very important tool. Actually, we have two that I want to talk about: the Outgrows quiz maker and calculator. Okay, and the thing is that Outgrow is known for its quiz maker and calculator builder. So when we speak about quiz maker and calculator builder, we're speaking about tools that allows you, again, going back to what I said, to get organic data from the user. So UGC, from a UGC perspective, this is kind of cool. User generated content. So you have optimized templates. So you have templates that help you increase your conversion and engagement rates. You have native integrations, so you're able to build your workflows without third-party integration costs. You have branded content, so you have the ability to actually add your bespoke content. So this is kind of cool because it allows you to customize the design to your brand guidelines. And you also have amazing support from the team at Outgrow. So you're able to access that team around the clock. And you also have content that is optimized for you as a modern marketer. So again, we are giving you here the tools, like Outgrow is giving you the tools and capabilities that can help you beef up your modern marketing, your marketer job in a very modern way. So you're able to increase lead conversion rates. So here we're speaking about more than 1,000 beautiful pre-optimized templates that help you improve your conversion rates to over 40 to 60%. I mean, what we love here is that we love the fact that you can get the conversion rates in real time. You're able to qualify leads and add value. So again, it really depends on what you really want to use, what you want to use Outgrow for. But you're able to give personalized answers to your customers' most pressing questions while qualifying your leads. You can publish within minutes anywhere. Again, we love that a lot because Outgrow allows you for multiplicity, but also instant. What we love the immediacy of the tool. So you're able to embed Outgrow content on your page as a pop-up in a chat, exit intent, or on your subdomain. And you also have with this tool, you have the ability to have intelligent analytics and data integration. One thing we love here is that you are able to get customer insights while helping them segment your audience and integrate your data with over 1,000 tools. This is kind of cool, but one thing Outgrow needs to do here is to summarize the data, because when it's too much, this creates some kind of at least based on our analysis, it is too much. You have to summarize and provide a synoptical view to your users so they can really pick and choose which reports, which analytics will better suit them. Okay, it's like when you have a shopping mall of products, you need to really segment very. So Outgrow, if you're listening to us, this is something you really need to do. Let's talk about pricing. So if you do what we just told you, you are able to actually make more money. Outgrow, we're speaking to you here. Now, back to the viewer. So when we talk about Outgrow in terms of pricing, you have popular plans and then you have custom plans. So you're able to segment based on, you're able to adapt based on your needs. So in terms of popular plans, you have Freelancer, Freelancer Pro, Essentials, and Business. So everything goes crescendo from here. So you have Freelancer and Freelancer Pro are the basic. So here it will cost you like less than $50 per month. If you want to go to the Essentials, you're getting like $100 to $150 per month. And for the business, you are speaking about, the business is kind of, it's really an all-encompassing. So you're paying upwards of $750 per month. And then if you want Outgrow to customize plans for you, they can actually do that, not a problem. So you have free forms and surveys. For startup, if you're a startup, they have a startup special, which will set you back $85 to $100 per month. And they have the enterprise pricing that's really custom pricing. So you need to actually contact sales if you want to have custom pricing at the enterprise level. Okay, and the cool thing is that with Outgrow, you can really use it no matter what kind of entity you are. If you're a small business, if you're a startup, if you're a nonprofit, you can get a custom plan or a coupon with Outgrow, and so you are able to basically try the platform for 7 days. Okay, during the trial, you get access to the business plan for 7 days without needing to add a credit card. After the trial, you can add a card and choose the plan that works for you. Of course, make sure to use the chat on the bottom right if your screen of your screen for any questions. Okay, Outgrow will really help you. And the cool thing here is that so in terms of cancellation fees now, Outgrow does have a simple SaaS-based pricing model with monthly and annual plans. Cancellations take place at the end of your committed term. So the thing here is that so you can also purchase lead add-ons. So if you max out the leads of your plan, on your plan rather, you can either upgrade to a higher plan, or you can craft a lead add-on for basically your specific needs. This is kind of cool. And but the only thing is that Outgrow does not charge per lead. They don't charge per lead, but they have tiers of leads based on the plan that you are on. Okay, and you can upgrade if your needs really call for it. Like if you're growing faster, this is kind of cool. Let's talk about the rivals here. So when we talk about Outgrow, obviously Outgrow is not the only player in this field. There are a lot of players. So let's quickly survey the top alternatives here. If you're thinking about Outgrow, you can also think about Survey Anyplace, which is a platform for creating mobile and interactive surveys and quizzes. You can think about Zoho Survey. So you have a user feedback survey with the free version and 2 paid plans that really start you around the $20 to $30. You have Ion Interactive. Here you have a scalable interactive content platform for engagement and conversion, and which is really offered through custom pricing. You have Marble Flows. Here, we have here no-code software to create A/B testing and lead generation flows, and so this is kind of cool. You also have Tap Form. Here, you also have no-code interactive forms and surveys for feedback and lead generation. So this is kind of cool. So the bottom line here is what should you go or should you choose or ditch Outgrow? Based on our analysis, we think that Outgrow is a great tool. It's a fantastic tool for content marketing, but also for lead generation specifically, because here, you are able to have a library, templates, and other documentation that really help you to actually optimize your branding strategy. And with Outgrow, you can accelerate lead qualifying and customer engagement. Qualifying leads at a low cost helps your company in conversions, so you're able to directly push the leads to Salesforce and thereby save time. And Outgrow also does a great job in terms of capturing the leads and directly adding them to the CRM. So you can use this leads to send emails via MailChimp. And so when we think about Outgrow, we really want to recommend this for B2C for the number of leads that are required to close sales. So it has to be B2C. But overall, Outgrow can positively help you out in engaging your prospects through its interactive content maker and marketing tools. It offers a codeless platform for you to easily create content pieces that are optimized for conversion. So if you are in the market for this type of content, you will really love Outgrow. And you don't have to do any extensive testing just to see which content gives you results, because those of Outgrow are designed to extract ROI and capture and engage potential customers. With that alone, Outgrow will prove to be an essential addition to your marketing arsenal. And the cool thing is you can sign up for a 7-day free trial so you can put the software to the test and see for yourself how it works.